Hello ladies and gentlemen, so today we're going to have a look at a question I've been asked heaps of times since I've started supplying Novas. In front of your eyes you can see here there's a Nova small set and a Nova large set. And it's been a really good question actually, I didn't really think about it myself, but people are asking a lot what the exact difference is between the size of a small set and a large set. So I thought I'd address that today because I looked around online and really there isn't any information on the size difference between them. So I'll grab one of each out. We'll just go with the black 280 grit. Alright, so here we have the black 280 grit and you can see that they're not actually that different. Stacked alongside each other, if I shuffle them around you'll be able to pick which one's which. But really there's not a lot that's different about them. So the mandrel, both mandrels exactly the same. They are both the standard 2.35mm or 3/32 of an inch. So that'll fit in most if not all rotary tools, flex shafts, Dremels, all the above. They're quite good like that. And you can also see that in terms of length, they're actually just about exactly the same. So they're both about 21 to 22 millimeters. It varies a little bit. I've measured a whole heap with the calipers and it varies a little bit but not a lot, so it's a bit under an inch. If it means anything to the American viewers, it's between about 27/32 and 55/64 of an inch. Inches confuse me a little bit being an Aussie, but I guess if those numbers help you guys, that's all good. So, it basically brings it down to the one thing that is definitely different between them, and that is the thickness. So you can see here the large, small, they are slightly different in thickness. But even that isn't that much of a difference, which is why they're priced very, very evenly. I mean, this is about $7 more than this one, Australian. So they are actually a very similar price. The small is about 7.5 millimeters on average in width or thickness. So the diameter of this is about 7.5, which is 19/64 of an inch, or just under a third of an inch. Whereas this one is just over a third of an inch at 9.3 millimeters, so about 2 millimeters different. And that really is the primary difference between the two. There's not a lot in it. So when it comes to carving, really, this is the most versatile bit, and if you're uncertain, I'd always recommend to get the smalls because you can get into all your little grooves much easier than with this. This one will prove to be too big in some cases, and I've had that heaps of times. There's been a few carvings lately where since I've had the smalls, it's been much better. And of course, the difference in wear will just be that this one won't wear any faster, but it will last a bit longer, just because of the volume of resin is a little bit higher. So hopefully that helps. Just a quick short video. I've got this question maybe 20 times in the last week. So it's definitely something I had to address, and yeah, the next video will be a carving video. Hopefully people have enjoyed the photography video. If you don't know what that is, I'll just link it up here. It was quite good. I put a lot of time into that and I'm hoping it helps as many people as possible. I aim for that to be one of the most helpful videos I've done, and there'll be more in that series. So stay tuned and we'll make you all pros. You can start your own channels. So see you soon.